Today we're going to make an intaglio print using the dry point etching method. So to prepare for this, we have etched into the plexiglass and made our design drawing, and we're ready to put some ink on it and make a print out of it. So using etching tools, it has grooves in it now where the ink's going to go. So we're going to take this plate and go over to the inking table, and we're going to put ink all over the plexiglass and get that ink into the grooves and the edges. And then we don't want too much, just a little bit. Then after we put the ink on it, then we're going to want to take the ink off of it. So we're going to take Tarlatan rags and wipe off all the ink that is on the plexiglass, and the ink that stays is the ink that got into the etching, which is our drawing. And then put some blue ink on it because we're going to make a sky in that window. And then we're going to go to the Shinkolei process. Cut out the Japanese paper, the thin paper, and then we're going to take the wheat powder, and it acts as an adhesive on the print. So we put some powder on it, and then we cut our paper and size it so we have a 2-inch border. Get it wet because it's domestic etch paper, and soak it for about 20 minutes and then dry it really well. Put everything on the press. Paper goes over the press because paper is going to get run down into the grooves, and then that's what we come up with when we're done. That's Shinkolei etching, dry point etching intaglio. Thank you. Have a great day. Yay.